in the restoration and cleaning business since 1978, for 40 years plus. And then April of 2 years ago, we moved into the city of Massillon. We were very warmly welcomed, and it was the city that made that possible. We want to give back to the city, and we saw this home, and we decided it would be a win-win. We could help the city beautify the surroundings, and then also find a family that is looking for a home that's been refurbished by Brahler's Cleaning and Restoration.
My name is Joy Plumley, and I work for Brahler's Cleaning and Restoration. I am the project manager of 1436 First Street in Massillon, Ohio 44646. We're extremely excited about the opportunity of giving back to the community by taking a home that may have been wasted in a manner and making it look nice and getting things remodeled for the city of Massillon. So super excited. This is our first house that we've actually started from very scratch, the scratch of the house in regards to doing mold remediation. We've painted the exterior of the house, the interior of the house. We have a new furnace, a new air condition. We have new windows and doors, new floors, new kitchen, and a new bathroom, along with some of just refurbishing some of the original trim in the house. So I've been a project manager for Brahler's for almost a year now. And again, it's all about giving back to our community for family, friends, and our customers.
In the past, a lot of people know us for doing the cleaning and restoration work, the insurance repair, but we're really not known for our remodeling, and that's part of this project, was to build our brand in remodeling and let people trust us to do that for them as well.
Well, we're excited because we hired Joy Plumley a year ago. Joy has a very strong construction background, along with a management and leadership background. So we can't explain how excited we are for Joy to be on board and heading up our remodeling jobs. I'd like to touch on the training part. Everyone that is part of a remediation, mold remediation, needs to be, as Todd was saying, fit tested. They have to have knowledge, which is in-house training that we give them, tests that they have to comply with. And I just like to tell people that when there is an instance maybe in their home, a situation, that we come out and we evaluate it for them. It would be Todd or Cody that would come out and do the evaluation and discuss it with the homeowner or business owner, and we take it from there. And if they agree, we sit down and write a job plan and follow that, crossing our T's and dotting our I's.